the mine looks like a giant corkscrew, spiraling roughly 4.5 miles down. When part of it collapsed, the 33 miners took shelter below in a so-called refuge chamber.
The first rescue team didn't get very far. 300 yards from here, the underground road was blocked by a boulder twice the weight of the Empire State Building. With the 33 still alive, the odds were put at 2%.
3 days after the collapse, the rescue teams started sending probes down. Trouble was, they had no idea where the miners were.
2 small shafts have already been drilled about half a mile straight down to where the miners are waiting. These channels act as a sort of umbilical cord so that rescuers can deliver capsules of medicine, food, water, and communications equipment.
And that's where conflicts with the rescuers began. Psychologists were censoring and tampering with the letters the miners wrote and received. They wanted to keep the messages light and cheerful. The 33 were outraged.
They treated us like we were completely ignorant and stupid. It was totally unacceptable that they were reading intimate things that we were writing to our wives.
Drilling experts from a dozen countries were called in, and eventually 3 rescue holes were attempted, known as Plans A, B, and C.
The target area for the drill is known as the workshop, located across from and slightly higher than the miners' living area. The miners themselves will complete the rescue shaft by blasting it with dynamite. Engineers above ground will then use a TV camera to inspect the rescue hole and decide if it needs to be reinforced with a metal lining. Exercise is a key issue. Once a rescue hole is drilled, the miner's waist size can be no bigger than 35 inches, as they'll need to squeeze into a space that's roughly the size of a bicycle tire. Rescue workers are being lowered to assist and send up the miners. Once all of the rescue team is in position, officials expect to be able to extract 1 miner each hour.
All but one of the 33 men, doctors say, have suffered severe psychological problems since the accident. And the miners complain they're not getting the quality medical care and benefits they need